Ding. Thank you.
Yes, today is my birthday.
A series created by Triangle Scratch 2. Look like we are flying kites in the heavy wind. It's so fun. Do you like flying kites? Illikefälling Peter. Min isrunded, and the oyster are brightly colored and pointy. With that heavy wind is coming. Please do not let the oil kitten away. If you do, the oil kitten will be lost and gone. Understand? Yes, I understand. But look, Fox is coming without his kite, and he's so sad. I think his kite was taken away by heavy wind. Hej dere Panto Andor. Have you seen my kite before? Is of so many accidentally lost my kite because of the heavy wind. Can you help and find my kite? It's better lost was the copy in the track. Understand? If you lost the oil kite, decide players do not let the oil kite. Otherwise, you can't treat to win the oil lost kite. Okay. Team to find here my kite. Here is my kite shop. Let's stay very close. Good, my kite isn't visible. Let's go very close. Is it in the bushes? No. Or is it in the playground sleeping? No. Maybe. Or is it in the traffic lights? No. Or is it in the top of a tree? Oh, is there a tail is hanging out of a tree? Now let's get it. But we can't get it. Let's ask someone to help. What's how old they cat? Oh, I not gonna with help, because she has long neck. Gina, come here and get my kid out of the tree.
Okay. What is it?
I'm trying to get her kids to go on the top of the tree. Can you repair the top of this tree and give my kid?
Sorry. I can't climb and reach the kite. I have long neck. So, I got to go now. Bye.
Gina can't help me because she can't climb and drop. Now time to call another person to help. What's how old they cat? I know. Time to call slow for help. Slow. Come here and get my kids to go on the tree. He won't come to me. Because he has to offer or has gone and off. Or, can I try to call Elvo for help? Sure. Let's try to call him. Elvo, come here and get my kid.
What's wrong? And why did you lose your kite hanging?
Because it was an accident. When I was happily walking with my kitten aventity, I saw so many and I lost my kitten. So, here is my photograph. When I'm happily walking with my kitten, but it's getting windy again. I saw so many partlocks like spiders, and I'm frightened because of them. And I'm accidentally left and lost my kitten because of these purple spiders. So, this is the end of my photograph. Elvo, did you hurt my photograph? And can you give my kitten hanging on the tree?
Sure, I heard your footage. But I unfortunately don't have a long trunk. I can't give your kite. So, see you later.
He don't help me because he don't have a longer trunk. But can I call? Well, sure. Time to call him for help. Or, come here and get my lost kitten. Okay, is she to claim Banjia or kitten? Here you go. Thank you very much. Or, you're my best hero. You're welcome, Foxy. Now let's go to my friends now. B.L.A. Think I was good my kid, Tim to go off.